Yeah, that's what's for supper right now. 4:05. I'm about ready to eat, y'all. This is shrimp flavored ramen noodles. Green onions straight out of the ground. I know, I did it. Scallops. 2 good yummy eggs. Tomato. And garlic. There's garlic in here. It's hard to tell which is the garlic and which is the scallops, but there's garlic in with the mix. And it's ready to eat, y'all. I'm gonna have to turn this off before it gets too hot. And I just can't help it, but I'm still battling with my back, and I did stand up and do this. And this is just fresh out of the oven, leftover mock apple pie made with green tomatoes and a few little cherry tomatoes in there. Y'all, I'm telling you, this is heaven. Heaven in a pan. So, that's for dessert. And this. It is. I need to get it up out of this skillet. Ooh, sorry before it gets too hot. And yes, I did just go pull these up. Yeah, there's still dirt on them. Just in case you're wondering. Yes, indeed. I did it. Yep, I did. And I'm getting ready to eat. But first, bless this food, oh Lord, I pray. Help me to make it to my seat before I fall on my face. Yes, prayers for this back. I know, standing doesn't help. But I'm getting ready to put this baby right in here. And I want it to melt while in the package, so I can just snip the end off and swirl it on. That's it. That's what's going on. Who needs ice cream when you've got some baby brie, wee brie to put on there? So it's doing its thing right now. And I'm about ready to plate this up. Happening. It's happening right here, right now. A little nibble left for later. And this will be happening a little bit later too. The heat's still rising from it. Yeah. That's what's for supper, y'all. Dinner, whatever you call it, in your neck of the woods. Remember, Jesus loves you. Think outside of the box. Use your ramen noodles or ramen noodles to make you some good stir fry. Whoops, I better put these babies back up. These babies. Oh, I got these at my local Myers, and it is divine. Okay, it's melting right there for the big, yummy happening. It's getting ready to happen. Absolutely. Let's see if this is any count. You ever heard that? Let's see if this is any count. Let's get a scallop in that. Little green stuff. No, that's not poke, but I would have put poke in here if I had any thawed out, or if I had any fresh poke picked. Yeah, absolutely.